Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. I'm giving away this funnel. All right. So you'll be able to get the share code. But guys, listen, there are stipulations. So before you come running asking for me for the share code, just listen on in this video, and you'll learn if you yourself are eligible to get this share code. Because I'm not giving this out to everyone. In fact, I wasn't planning on giving this share code out at all, and I was just going to keep it to myself. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to give this share code out to certain key people, okay, and I'll explain the stipulations. So this has taken a lot of my time, and it's a premium content, so it's not free. And so what you get is you get 2 pages, okay. So you get this page, okay, and this is the bridge page. Okay, so what it does, this particular funnel actually promotes these share codes. But what it really does is it actually promotes LeadsLeap. Okay, and it does a really good job of it. It's really powerful. All right, so for me, LeadsLeap has allowed me to earn over $20,000, over $22,000. Okay, I've got 762 referrals. I've got over 6,000 in my entire downline. But obviously, we only get to earn from the front line. But LeadsLeap provides me with a very stable, $1,000 a month, basically. And I'm happy about that. This is my number one marketing tool. It's not my primary business. I mean, I say it's not my primary business. It's my essential tool that I use for marketing. Okay, and it helps me market my Live Good business. It helps me market everything, all in one place. It's got all the tools. Okay, so guys, the stipulations in order to be able to get this, in order to be eligible to get this funnel. Plus, you're also going to get my mailing list sequence follow-up series as well. So you'll get all these, email follow-up series. Okay, but here's the stipulation. Okay, you need to be under me. You need to be personally sponsored by me in LeadsLeap, and you need to be a pro member. Okay, so let me kind of like illustrate what I'm talking about here. This is not free content. It shouldn't be. This is taking me too long. It's like I enjoy doing this. I love it. That's why I do it. But I was motivated to do this for myself, just so that I have my own kind of pages, that I'm promoting. But I thought, typical me, I'm going to give this away, but I can't give this away for free, and I just wanted to give something away, just to say thank you to my pro members for partnering up with me and supporting me, because I do give a lot of stuff away. And, guys, if you come through this funnel, you'll still get access to all these all these share codes here, and you've probably seen this page before, but there's a lot of share codes here. And, this would have been more than enough. This would have been kind of like really, seriously over delivered, already, even with this page. So you're already getting access to this page, even if you're not in my downline in LeadsLeap, and even if you're not a pro member in LeadsLeap under me, you still get this. So that right there, in my opinion, is already over delivering. Seriously. Yeah. So this particular funnel here, you'll get the share codes of this if you're a pro member under me. So if you want to upgrade to the LeadsLeap platform, you're welcome to do that. And you can reach out to me, and then I can check to make sure that you are a pro member under me, because it's easy for me to check, and then I'll be able to give you the share codes manually. And if you are a pro member under me and you want to use these share codes and you get these share codes, you need to do the same. Okay. Anyone who I find giving these share codes out publicly, or to anyone who's not in, a pro member under them, I'm going to be pretty upset. So, I'm not being unkind, but, sometimes, you've got to draw the line, because, this has taken a lot of work. This is my own work here. So, hopefully you appreciate that, and happy to give these out to any pro members who are under me. So join LeadsLeap, all right, and consider upgrading to pro membership, and then reach out to me. All right, hope you like the funnel, guys. Thanks for watching, and chat soon. Bye for now.